Lumad, Jerusalem's visit of United States warship, DAVAO City, Davao del Sur, Philippines. A militant Lumad group in Mindanao on Monday plans a force call and goodwill visit of one of the United States' most technologically advanced combat ships in the hometown of President Rodrigo Duterte. Kerlan Fanagel, Secretary General of Pasaka, said the docking of the littoral combat ship, USS Montgomery, at Sasa Wharf here on Saturday was a violation of the country's sovereignty, and an action that could pose a threat to Filipinos in case conflict would erupt between the United States and China. The visit came amid a rising tension at the West Philippine Sea, following the ramming of a Filipino fishing vessel by a Chinese ship. The incident prompted some opposition leaders to clamor for the Philippines to invoke its mutual defense treaty with Washington against Beijing. The USS Montgomery commanding officer, Cmdr, Rosso, said the visit has nothing to do with China. "We are here to strengthen US-Philippine alliance," he said. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.